Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, product activation failed error in Microsoft Word Windows. Open File Explorer. C Drive, Program Files. Microsoft Office. Open Office version folder. Right-click ospprium.exe, click Run as administrator. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.